Gaelic has now become illegal. The 6 remaining Gaelic speakers are Ross Smith, Cara Grant, Ralph Kennedy, Lucy Kerr, Finlay Murray and Hannah Thompson. For every Gaelic speaker handed in, there will be a bounty of £4,000, dead or alive.
Hello, Lucy, catch a Belu. A Belu Carshalor?
Ha, Hashin Karshglor. Hashin Adolian Collie Pockinish.
Hameshan Shornish. Ach, Koshi.
Ha, Finlay Han August Ralph and Shaw Kudger. Akinil Fesakin Catchville Ross.
Ha, Ross and Shaw Limson.
Sgoil. Hashin Jake Menichin or Fowler.
Kirsch. A holding sheets of party. Kirschgar for cheap value.
Mr. Collinchin cooking. Belusa?
Ha, Hannah Cable to Shin.
Cheers.
How many adult work here?
Hi.
Hij crashed ik veel Gaelic formation on this. Crashed.
Catch me, Lucy.
Shit. Must have done luck, Lucy. 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 Had to lark me, Lucy. I knew a shit, Nicole. Can you act lark me and phone him?
Janishi, pay me to get Lorik.
Favour machine.
Chicken. Ambition is scars.
Kavi, Haitian or cow.
Hey, especially because Ralph to the shin. Makes sure I can go to the show. Give out shit.
Can you awesome?
Trot.
The last few remaining Gaelic speakers are dead. Gaelic is dead.